Thank you for considering us for your next steel building project. Let me introduce you to our top-notch team of project managers. These experts are passionate about guiding clients through the entire building process from start to finish. We understand that building a steel structure can be a bit overwhelming, which is why we assign a dedicated team to work closely with you, ensuring you're always in the loop and have the support you need. Our team of project managers will coordinate all the intricate details like drafting, engineering, and detailing. They'll work with our engineering team to ensure all design changes and technical specifications are managed efficiently, leaving no room for error. We use BIM technology like Revit and Tekla to create 3D models of your project, and our STRUMIS program allows you to keep track of every individual steel piece from fabrication to delivery. When it comes to fabrication, let me give you a virtual tour of our state-of-the-art facility in Galicia, Spain. We fabricate, load, and ship many of our steel structures from here, and we have all the latest technology to make sure every piece of steel is cleaned and painted to the highest standards. Our shot blasting machine cleans our steel to the SSPC6 standard, removing all mill scale and corrosion before painting. This exceeds industry standards, resulting in a cleaner and more durable finished product. We then use a solvent-based primer that provides a long-lasting and visually pleasing finish. Plus, if you'd like a finish coat in any color, we've got you covered. Our loading platforms allow us to ship steel via container or break bulk, meaning we can ship large amounts of steel at once, reducing the number of deliveries and making it easier for you to manage the steel on site. We'll keep you informed every step of the way, and you'll be able to track every single piece of the building as it's being fabricated, loaded, shipped, and even inventoried on site. We're with you all the way and available for on-site support whenever you need. We've got a wealth of experience with projects all over the world, and we're not afraid to think outside the box. We work closely with our clients to develop design-build projects and focus on value engineering from the get-go, saving you time and money in the long run. We are a flexible solution provider with a wealth of experience and a team of dedicated professionals who will be with you every step of the way. Let's build something amazing together.